Hi everyone, it's Alicia here from Planning Within Reach, and today I want to talk to you about identity theft prevention and being safe online, especially when it comes to your money. We have 6 tips. The first being enabling two-step authentication, which is standard nowadays, but that is just when you go into settings, you can set this up where they have to send you a code in your text messages, or you have to call a phone number and say a specific phrase. This is an additional step besides your password to verify your identity. So we do recommend setting this up on any type of account, especially ones where you can move or transfer money. The second tip being password software. We do recommend to all of our clients to set up a password software like 1Password, for example. This allows you to store all your passwords in one secure place. They give you strong and secure passwords, and as well, you can make sure you're not using duplicate passwords in multiple places. It's also a very easy way to share passwords with spouses, kids, or parents. Third tip being freezing your credit. Freezing your credit is different than credit monitoring, but freezing your credit allows no one, not even you, to open new lines of credit in your social security number. So the way this works is that if you freeze your credit, you do have to do it at all of the credit bureaus, and they'll give you a PIN. So if you, let's say, need to get a new car and you go to get an auto loan, you will have to find out what credit bureau they are going to look at to get your credit report. You will call that bureau, give them your PIN, that will unfreeze your credit. And then once they have gotten the report, then you'll just call back and refreeze it. It's the only way to make sure that nobody can access your credit and open new lines in your name. It's very important. We do suggest that everyone does that. Social media, again, super important and not talked about all the time, but social media nowadays is just a playground of information for hackers. So make sure that not only your profile, but the profile of your spouses, parents, and kids, and any type of sibling or relation, any type of relation to you does not have any of your identifying information on it. So you'll see that when you go to make security questions, like for your accounts, they'll ask you things like, what's your mother's maiden name? What's your father's middle name? What was your first car? What's your dog's name? Those are all really simple information nowadays for hackers to find online, and especially on social media. So go through all those profiles and make sure that those are not there. Public Wi-Fi. Public Wi-Fi is not safe, so make sure that when you are on public Wi-Fi to use either a VPN service, which you do pay for, but that scrambles all of your data, or use a hotspot from your phone. So a hotspot from your phone uses cellular data, which cannot be hacked. So just be careful when you're on public Wi-Fi and try to use those two sources. Financial account alerts. You can set this up on any of your credit cards, debit cards, or any type of financial accounts. Go into the settings, and I like to use this especially for my credit cards. Any type of transaction, I get a notification for. So anything over a penny, I'll get a text message about 30 seconds after the transaction happens, and it tells me how much I was charged and from who. So it's the easiest way for me to see directly on my phone in 30 seconds if somebody has stolen my credit card and what they're buying, and I can easily just call and report that transaction. And that is it for the 6 steps today. If you have any other questions or comments, post a comment here on the video and we'll get back to you. You can also shoot us an email, and you can find that information on our website at planningwithinreach.com. Again, this is Alicia Butera, Certified Financial Planner for Planning Within Reach. Have a great day.